wants to live high life. She's spending money. She wants a life of likes. Gucci Armani. She wants to live high life. Diamonds and Rarries. She wants a life of highs. Hey yo, and all the girls say all that you want, riding your Mercedes, then gone tomorrow. Yeah, all that you want, riding your Mercedes. Yeah, all that you want, riding your Mercedes, then gone tomorrow. Yeah, all that you want, riding your Mercedes. Yeah. Michelin star where she want go, 7-star hotel you don't know. Where you want go? Lifestyle in fast moving pronto. AMG right to the condo. G4 Dubai from Toronto. She know she like it. She not pay herself. She was invited. Yeah, she was invited, but on Instagram she doesn't write it. Yeah, all that you want, riding your Mercedes,